What's up guys? Today we are unboxing Claw Arctic Laptop Cooling Pad K25 Pro. Now this is available at 2090 rupees on Amazon and for 1849 on Computex store. Now here's the box. There's a preview of the cooling pad. It says Claw Arctic and RGB 10 light modes, gaming laptop cooling equipment. On the back, there is more information. Now let's unbox. Now this comes with durable and anti-skid material made of metal and ABS. So because of the anti-skid feature, you should have a very stable and secure platform. Now this comes with 4 motor fans and they have a speed of around 1100 RPM. Now this stand supports up to 17 inches laptop. Anything above that might be slightly bigger than the stand can support, and below that is the perfect size. First there is cooling pad, and here's type A to type A cable. There's a braided cable which is nice. Now let's remove the bubble wrap. Inside there is user manual. And here's the cooling pad. Now we can see 4 fans. There's a round batch in the middle and there is Claw branding on it. Towards bottom there are 2 pins that you can open, and these will support your laptop and prevent it from sliding off. On the bottom there is small area for cable management. That is cool. And there is some information about it. There are 2 height adjustable stands. Now on the back, there are 2 USB-A ports, 2 dials and 1 button. To turn it on, you can plug this cable in the back and plug the other end into the laptop. And that's it, it is connected. And now it will work. As for functions, the 2 dials at the back control the fans. One dial is to control the top 2 fans, and the second dial is to control the bottom 2 fans. You can increase or decrease the speed of the fans with these dials. After you hit the lowest speed, you can rotate it a bit more to turn off the fan. You can press the button to turn on the LED, and you can toggle between different styles and colors, and you can turn it off as well. Now let's put a laptop on it. Now this is how it looks with a laptop on. And this is how you can use those pins to prevent the laptop from sliding off. This is how you can adjust the stand height. That's the Claw Arctic laptop cooling pad, and it has a lot of options in terms of stand height adjustment. You can also play with different color styles of LED to set the right vibe, or just turn it off completely if that's what you like. I mean, the blue LEDs near the fans work together with the fans, so you can't turn those lights off as long as the fans are on. Overall, this is a cool product. What do you think about it? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who might need this cooling pad for their laptop. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.